Nowadays, everyone should be free to move around and participate in activities in public spaces, including people with disabilities.
However, many public places are still inaccessible to them.
For example, ramps for wheelchairs, directional signs for the visually impaired, and accessible public transportation are still difficult to find.
Of barriers make it difficult for people with disabilities to get around and can make the field clued from everyday activities.
What's your opinion about the social issue? And if you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what would you do to address this issue? In my opinion, people with disabilities still face daily barriers in public space, from uneven sidewalks to buildings without ramps or signs. Accessibility is a basic human right. Every city, school, and public service must be designed for everyone, not just the able-bodied. An inclusive society begins with inclusive space. If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I would start by making sure our public spaces are accessible for people with disabilities. I will check sidewalks, school, and another place, are they really usable for everyone? I would create a special team to inspect and fix this place. I'd work with local government to build more ramps, elevator, and clear sign. I also would listen to people with disabilities directly and involve them in planning, so we make real change that match their needs.
Hello, my name is Arlen Elena. This time I will share my opinion about the problem of the lack of public facilities for the disabled. The lack of disability-friendly public facilities is a serious problem that limits the right and equality of individuals with disabilities. This limits access to social isolation, economic barriers, and negative psychological impact. Although regulations are in place, implementation and enforcement are still weak due to the lack of awareness and non-inclusive planning. Remember, accessibility is our shared responsibility to create an environment that benefits all. Okay, next, if I were Minister of Social Affairs, I would focus on fulfilling the accessibility right of the disabled by increasing the budget for the construction and renovation of public facilities, strengthening regulation and law enforcement, and public awareness campaigns involving people with disabilities. The goal is to make accessibility and integrate recruitment across all this sector. Thank you and bye-bye.
My opinion in this case is, first of all, I feel sad and sympathetic toward people with disability as they still face difficulties in living their lives freely and normally. I hope that they receive proper facilities so that they can live their lives. I also hope the government provides them with appropriate facility, as it is their responsibility to do so. Additionally, I urge society not to damage the facilities that have been provided and to give people with disabilities the opportunity to live a decent life just like the rest of us. And if I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I would take a step to build proper facilities for people with disabilities in public places such as roads, malls, park, school, and transportation. And I would monitor the facility and continuously more improvement if any are damaged. Additionally, I would encourage society to take care of the facilities and support people with disabilities.
I think it's unfair that many public places are still not accessible to people with disabilities. Everyone deserves the same chance to move around freely and join in daily activities. Society should do more to ensure equal access for all. If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I would make sure all public spaces follow accessibility rules, like adding ramps and clear signs. I also support better accessible transportation and involve people with disabilities in planning. Making public areas inclusive would be a top priority.
In my opinion, to improve accessibility for people with disability, I will create regulation for public spaces that are friendly to people with disability, provide training for public officials, develop program for participation of people with disabilities, and conducts evaluation and mentoring. By doing so, I hope to improve the quality of life and opportunities for people with disability. Thank you.
Hello, nice to meet you. What is your name?
I'm Lois.
May I ask how old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
And what's your field of study or your major now?
Logistic business from University of Pajajaran.
After you have learned about the issue I mentioned regarding the lack of accessibility in public space for people with disabilities, if you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what would you do to address the issue of public space accessibility for people with disabilities?
If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, the steps I would take are improving disabilities friendly infrastructure. I would training for public facility manager and involving people with disabilities in accessibilities planning and evaluation.
Okay, thank you so much, Louise.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good day.
Hello.
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
What is your name?
My name is Juta Isabella.
May I ask, how old are you?
I am 18 years old.
What's your of study or major?
I am a sociology student at Pajajaran University.
After you have learned about the issue I mentioned regarding the lack accessibility in public for people with disabilities, if you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what will you do to address the issue of public space accessibility for people with disabilities?
I will implement accessibility for standard public space, promote inclusive public and awareness, and support accessibility transportation.
Thank you. Your opinion.
Okay, you're welcome.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Diva Najusabila. You can call me Diva.
Okay, hello Diva, nice to meet you. And how old are you?
I am 19 years old.
Okay, and what's your field of study or major?
I am Psychology 24 from University Christian Maranatha.
Okay, and after you learn about this issue that I mentioned before regarding the lack of accessibilities in public space for people with disabilities, what's your opinion about this social issue?
Quite concerned because why there still have an environment full of disabilities. That means the Minister of Social Affairs doesn't really care about the issues.
Okay, and if you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what would you do to address the social issue of public space accessibility for people with disabilities?
If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I will visit the place that have the people disabilities and provide them like have the educations or provide them the free jobs like that.
It's all? That's all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your time, Diva, and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello, nice to meet you. What is your name?
Hello, nice to meet you too. My name is Anna Faida.
May I ask, How old are you?
This year I am turning 20 years old.
What's your field of study or major?
Currently I am studying in Indonesia Education University with major primary school teacher education.
After you have learned about the issue I mentioned regarding the lack of accessibility in public spaces for people with disability, what's your opinion about this social issue?
Okay, in my opinion, public spaces in Indonesia, especially for people with disabilities, is very lacking because, for example, when we walking on the sidewalk, we can see the yellow lines. It can use for people with disabilities, but it cannot use properly for them. And Indonesia just we have it the public spaces for people with disabilities, but we cannot use it properly.
If you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what will you do to address the issue of public spaces accessibility for people with disability?
Okay, actually, I think disabilities is not a situation where they need special facilities, but situation where they cannot use or this earth can use all the spaces by the all people, not only just for people with abilities. So if I were Minister of Social Affairs, maybe I would make this public space is very safe for all people use it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Nuraini Aziza. You can call me Aini. I'm 21 years old. My major is sociology education. In my opinion, I think this is a serious problem because people with disabilities need equal access. If I am minister, I will to improve the facilities and laws to make a public space accessible. For the example is a transportation public and infrastructure. That it's